Assalamualaikum students. Today we have to start the fifth exercise of factorization, which is exercise 5.5 on page number 138 of your book. So the question is factorize the following. You have to factorize all these questions from question number 1 to question number 10. So before starting this exercise, I will introduce two formulae with you. I want to discuss two formulae that are, the first one formula is a cube plus b cube, and the second one formula is a cube minus b cube. Before starting this exercise, you have to learn these two formulae. Okay, the value of a cube plus b cube is equal to the product of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And similarly, the product of the value of a cube minus b cube is equal to the product of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We can also say that whenever we multiply a plus b with a square minus ab plus b square, we will get a cube plus b cube. So this is the first one formula. And whenever we multiply a minus b with a square plus ab plus b square, we will get a cube minus b cube. So we have to learn these two formulae before starting your exercise 5.5. If you have learned these formulas, then you can solve this exercise very easily. Okay, the first one question is a cube minus 27. So let's start this question. So question number 1 is a cube minus 27. So when we compare it with the formula a cube minus b cube, we will check it whether it is the cube of some number or some term. Yes, it is the cube of a. And similarly 27 is the cube of 3. So we should write the reference of the formula, which is using formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube always equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So identify that the value of a is a and the value of b is 3 here. So we have this form written above, a whole cube minus 3 whole cube. Compare it with a cube minus b cube. So the result of these two terms is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we will construct the form a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So look at above step that the value of a is a. So you will write a in these blanks, and the value of b is 3. So you will write 3 instead of b. So your question is completed. This is a minus 3a whole square is equal to a square plus 3 into a is 3a plus 3 whole square is equal to 9. So this is your required solution, or this is your required factorization of a cube minus 27. The factorization of a cube minus 27 is a minus 3 into a square plus 3a plus 9. Let me solve its second part, which is a6 plus b6. This is the question number 2. Okay girls, we can construct it in the form of a cube plus b cube by putting a square inside the bracket and b square inside the bracket. Means 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are also 6. So a6 plus b6 is equal to a square whole cube plus b square whole cube. Let me discuss one thing with you in the rough work, that whenever you do this question, which is a6 plus b6, some students can write it like this: a cube whole square plus b cube whole square. Because 3 2s are also 6 and 3 2s are also 6. Okay, this is 3. So why we have not converted a6 plus b6 in this form? We have converted it into whole cubic form, not in the form of whole square. Why? Because when we compare it with the formula, it will become a square plus b square, and when we compare it with the formula, it will become a cube plus b cube, because the both terms are in the form of cube. So it will be a cube minus a cube plus b cube. And in this situation we have two terms and which are the whole square form, so it will be like a square plus b square. So when we think about it that a square plus b square is equal to something, no, it is equals to nothing. There is no formula which is equals to a square plus b square, but we have a formula which is equal to a cube plus b cube. You should learn this formula. Okay, we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That's why we have converted into the form of whole cube, not whole square, because whenever we do like this, a whole square plus b whole square suppose, so we cannot solve it further, it cannot be solved further, so we have converted it in the form of whole cube. So we have given the reference. Now by comparing this formula with the above step, we see that a whole cube plus b whole cube is given to you, means this is a whole cube, this is plus b whole cube. The value of a is a square and the value of b is b square. So you will write these two values in the form. So you should write the form of the formula, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So the value of a is a square, so you will write a square here, and the value of b is b square, so you will write b square in this space which were left for the value of b. Okay, so the answer is a square plus b square into a 4, because 2 2s are 4, minus a square b square plus 2 2s are 4, so b4. This is your required result, means this is your required factorization. The last answer is this. So once we will check that whether this term can be factorized further. No, it cannot be factorized further. Why? Because this is a square plus b square, and there is no such formula or no such situation has such a solution that we can write instead of a square plus b square. So it is the last result. And similarly a4 plus b4 minus a square b square cannot be factorized further. So this is your answer. Thank you.